With Paperform, you can automate your manual tasks, streamline your workflow, and spend more of your time doing what you love. Integrating Intercom with Paperform enables you to streamline and automate your customer communication, unifying each aspect of your customer journey from conversion to engagement and support. G'day, Alex here from Paperform to show you how you can automate your workflows and get back to the important things. Connecting Intercom with Paperform is incredibly easy, will save you a ton of time and hassle, so follow me. Now, open the form editor of the form you want to connect to Intercom. Navigate to After Submission, Integrations and Webhooks. Below Direct Integrations, select Intercom and select the action you wish to trigger. We have a number of possible actions, so choose what works for you. I'm integrating Intercom with a contact form to generate a new message for the person submitting the form so they can receive the support they need. You will then be redirected to the integration setup where you'll need to connect your account. Select the Add Account button and authorize the connection. Now it's time to set up the integration. Depending on the action you choose, the fields shown will be different. Time to map your form submission data to the correlating Intercom fields. For the email field, select the email question on your form. Just select this icon to the right of a field to display the submission data available. This will dynamically pull in your submitter's responses. Time to configure the message, using the submitter's responses again to provide a detailed support ticket. And now for the If No Matching Person field, I want Intercom to create a new user. Once you're happy and have finished, click the Send Test button at the bottom to test out the action. But for the Send Test button to work, you must have a recent submission that contains data for the field being used in your integration action. In other words, if you haven't run a test submission, do this first. If an issue occurs during the test, an error message will inform you of what needs to be fixed. Otherwise, you can continue. You can also set logic rules to trigger the integration under certain conditions. For example, you might only want to send the message if a submitter agrees to the terms of service question. All that is left is to select Finish Setup, and you are done. All integrations for a specific form will be visible at the top of the page, and you can turn off an integration at any time. Select the gear icon to edit the integration if you want to make changes, view a history of past actions, duplicate, or delete. It is that simple. So make sure to sign up for our 14-day free trial and learn how you can automate your workflows and get back to the important things. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos on everything Paperform.